Hello everyone, this is Yokogawa Test&Measurement. This video is the third installment explaining how to use the AQ1210 series MFT OTDR and the AQ3550 Optical Switch Box. This video describes the specialized function guide. I will introduce how to use the multi-fiber project, which is a measurement application of both the Yokogawa AQ1210 OTDR and the AQ3550 switch box. First, let's explain the connection setup in this video. The OTDR and the switch box are connected via a USB cable and a single optical fiber cable. Behind the switch box, there's a 500-meter fiber spool connected to all channels, with one connected to produce significant connector reflection. Said connector reflection is where measurements will be taken. The multi-fiber project introduced on this screen is a function that enables measurement execution based on cell selection of fiber numbers, by creating a project file that tabulates fiber numbers and measurement conditions before measurement. The measurement data is automatically saved within each cell with a file name assigned based on the fiber number. Navigate to the multi-fiber project screen from the menu. Cells with numbers represent each fiber number. Tap on the screen to measure the fiber corresponding to the selected number, where you have the freedom to choose the measurement order. Completed measurements are indicated by a change in color, allowing easy visualization of progress. This prevents confusion and omissions during measurements. Press the Setup key to create a project file. Proceed with settings from the Project tab. This time select Enable to create over 100 fibers with 240 fibers. Set 12 cores as the unit for dividing the number of units, matching the number of the switch box. Tap on OSW Control Setup and enable Linkage OSW Control. Return with X and move to the Measure tab. Set the distance range to 2 kilometers considering the fiber length, and set the averaging time to 5 seconds for demonstration. Once the settings are complete, tap X and a confirmation screen for project creation will appear. Then tap OK. The setup measuring 240 fibers under constant conditions is now complete. On the next page, you'll see a table for 240 fibers. You can confirm the relationship between the fiber number and the channel by the blue numbers 1 to 12 at the top. Tapping on the first fiber, channel 1 is selected. At this time, the measurement of the first fiber is carried out using channel 1 of the switch box. For the 10th fiber, channel 10 is selected. For the 40th fiber, it's channel 4. For the 68th fiber, it's channel 8. Therefore, when using multi-fiber project in conjunction with the switch box, make sure to check the fiber number and the channel number used. Next, let me introduce how to automatically switch channels. Tap on New Project and create a new project file. First, give a name to the project file. After Enter, tap Initialize Setting. Proceed with the same settings as before. Press the Setup key tap on OSW Control Setup and enable Linkage OSW Control. Also, enable Measure All Channels. Currently, all channels are selected, so if left as it is, it will continuously measure all channels. You can deselect channels you don't want to measure with a tap, which removes them from continuous measurement. For this video, continuous measurement of all channels will be performed. Return with X and move to the Measure tab. Keep the same settings as last time. Next, move to the Analysis tab and enable Pass-Fail Judgment. By using this function, you can judge the pass-fail of an event based on basic parameters such as connection loss. This time, we will perform pass-fail judgment using return loss. Set other items with the same contents as before. When the settings are complete, tap X and then OK. Select the first fiber and start measurement with the AVG key. When the measurement of the first fiber is completed, it will automatically switch to the next fiber. Measurement of 12 fibers is completed. Green fibers indicate pass, red fibers indicate fail. For fibers that fail, check the connection status and measure again. Select the fiber, tap Delete checkmark, and select OK on the confirmation screen. After confirming the connection status, measure again. It turned green, so the measurement is passed. That's all for the introduction of how to use the AQ1210 along with the AQ3550 in the multi-fiber project. Please use this video as a basis to perform efficient measurements by utilizing the switch box.